back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Crystal Dolphin Switch Up Tik Tok trend, which is very easy and also very popular. But before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So first we're going to do a normal wave, but instead of doing it like this, we're going to do it by points. So first we're going to start with our head, then shoulders go back, then we go even further, and then we sit down like this. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go up. So 1, 2, 3, up. And then we're going to shake our shoulders like this. It doesn't matter if you do it slow or fast, however. So 1, 2, 3, up, shoulders. And then you're going to do a normal wave back. Like this, just a normal one. Instead of doing it by points, we're going to do it all together, like this. And then we're going to go up. So after this, we're going to go 1, 2, like that. So we're going to swing our arms to the right, to the left, right, left. And then after this, we're going to whoa. So let's start from the very beginning again, and then I'm going to show you what's next. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, up, shoulders, down, up, swing, swing, whoa. So after the whoa, we are going to clap, and then we're going to go 1, 2, like that. So to do this, our left arm is in front of us, like this, bent, and then right arm goes 1, 2. Pretend we have a wall here and we want to break it, so it's 1, 2, like that. So let's start from the very beginning, and then I'm going to show you what's next because we don't have much left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, up, shoulders, down, up, 1, 2, whoa, clap, then 1, 2, and then we're going to do a normal wave. So our hands are in fists, and we go 1, 2, like that. And that's it. So we're going to do it from the beginning. One slow, one fast, and that's it. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, up, shoulders, down, up, swing, swing, whoa, clap, 1, 2, wave. So now we're going to do the same thing but faster, and we are done. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, up, shoulders down, up, swing, swing, whoa, clap, 1, 2, wave. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon.